Kate here with WTI, and I have found the most beautiful area rug. This rug is from Nuftdeco, and it has so many features that are gonna blow you away. The first thing is that it is the softest rug I've ever felt. It's a low pile rug, so it's easy to vacuum, and it feels like a blanket. It's so soft on your feet. Now, the added benefit of being a thinner rug is that it's machine washable. So if you are a pet owner or you have children, you know that there are constantly spills on your rug. So with this, you can throw it right into the washing machine. It lays on the floor really nicely. It comes with a few creases, but within a few days, those are completely gone. It has a grippy back, so it stays in place. It's nicely finished. All of the edges are well stitched. Now, this one is in the cream and camel color. It has these really nice little green details, kind of like a teal color, which goes perfectly with my house. This one is an 8x10, so really large size, but they come in all kinds of sizes and different patterns. In my office, I have one that's a 5x7, and this is more of a neutral gray and white tone. They're all so beautiful. You can't go wrong with any of them, but you can match your space. I've had a lot of compliments on this rug. It just really ties everything together. So if you're looking for that missing piece, this could definitely be it. Check it out, but I'm really, really happy with it, and that's my point of view.